Hi, my name is Michael John Arieta, 20 years old, student of College of Computing Education, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and our topic for this video is analyzing an argument using truth table. Our objective is to use the formulas translated to determine the validity of these arguments. We use a tool known as a truth table to do this. The truth table is essentially a list of different combinations of truth values a phrase or a set of phrases can have. Now let's see how to use a truth table to analyze an argument to see if it's valid or not. So here are my arguments. If there is biscuit, then I will drink soda. If there is pizza, then I will drink soda. There is no biscuit and there is a pizza. Therefore, I drink soda. So are my premises. And this is my conclusion. I drink soda. And also it will be valid if I have a tautology in the last column. First thing we need to do is do a translation. First, I need all of the statements condensed down to P, Q's, and R's. So as you can see, I've already assigned it. So if there is biscuit, it's gonna be my P. I will drink soda and it will be my Q. The only last statement I have here is there is a pizza, which is my R. So look, first line, if there is biscuit then I will drink soda. So symbolically it will look like this, P then Q. Second line, if there is a pizza then I will drink soda. So that if is R then Q is my soda statement. So third line, there is no biscuit and there is a pizza. There is no biscuit, so not P, and there is a pizza. That is my R, so that's not P and R. Therefore, I drink soda. That is my Q, my conclusion. So here are my truth table starting. So here is my P column. So remember I have 3 statements, so I need 8 row. P has 4 truths and 4 false. Q alternates by 2's. R alternates every other. So now I need to draw each of my lines in my premises statement. So FP then Q. P and Q. So P and Q is true, then true. True and true, then true again. True, then false, then false. And then false, false again. False, it doesn't matter, it's always a true. So this last ones are the same, doesn't matter, it's always true that comes out. That's P and Q. So now let's do, so R then Q. If true and true, then true. If F then true, then true. Then false, then false. And false, then it's true. If true and true and true. False and true doesn't matter, it's true. True and false, then it's false. False and false, then it's true. Last line of my premises is a not P and R. But I don't have a not P column, so let's make one. So that will be the opposite of the first column. So 4 false, then 4 true. So now we're gonna make this column not P and R. For this to be true, I need 2 truths. So 1 false, then false, 2 false, then false, 1 false, that false, false again. And here's 2 truths, so true, and a false, then a true, then a false. Okay, so that is all my premises. So the next thing we do is to AND all of the premises. I'm gonna do an AND of this and this and this. All need to be true to get true in my AND column. So let's first label here premises. Otherwise it's too long to write AND and all of those combined. So let's highlight this tree first so I want to compute. So that's P then Q, R then Q, and not P and R. All of this tree. I need all this tree to be true, so this column will have true. So that's false. There's one false, then false. All of it is false, then false. False again. Now this one is all true, then true. This one false, then false. Another one false, then false. As long as there's one false, it's gonna be false. So that's the end of all our premises. So as we do all of our ended premises, let's write it down first. Let's write it here in the right side. So as we do all of our ended premises as my if, then my conclusion. So in this column, I need all of this to be true, so it's gonna be valid. So if my premises is false, I don't have to check my conclusion. It will be true immediately. So F, and it's true. F, and it's true. And F again, and it's true. F, that's true. That's true. So we have to check. So it's then the conclusion is true, so it's gonna be true. False, it's gonna be true. Premise is false, true again, and the premise is false, so it's gonna be true again. So this is valid. So all truths in these columns are called tautology. And if we get that in our final column, then our argument is valid. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!